Want to create cinematic videos in just minutes? With Minimax AI, you can turn simple text or images into stunning visuals like magic. Today, I'll show you step by step how to use this game-changing tool. Let's dive in and start creating. Step 1. What is Minimax AI? Minimax AI, sometimes referred to as Hailuo AI, is a really cool platform that creates films from basic inputs like written descriptions or images using sophisticated AI models. It's perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone who wants high-quality videos without spending hours editing. Plus, it's super beginner-friendly. Step 2. Create an account. First, head over to minimaxai.org and create a free account. All you need is your email or phone number. The free plan gives you enough credits to start generating videos right away. Step 3. Upload your image or enter a text prompt. Once you're logged in, you have two main options. Upload an image or type a text prompt. Let's say I want a cinematic video of a forest with sunlight streaming through the trees. I type a serene forest with sunlight filtering through the leaves. If you're using an image, Minimax can animate it with smooth motion and dynamic transitions. Step 4. Generate and download. When you're ready, click Generate Video. The AI will process it in just a few minutes. Once it's done, hit download and your video is ready to share on social media, use in presentations or whatever you like. And that's it. With Minimax AI, creating high quality videos has never been this easy or fast. Try it out and let me know what you create in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more amazing AI tutorials. See you next time. Thanks for watching.